Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here, that I should make payments for them on 1688 and Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So you can see all the link right here, and when we start working on the link, and I decided to make a video about this and show you how we actually make payment, and also how we can actually make payment for your goods and services on Pinduoduo, 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here, and we go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. So here we go. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. So allow the 1688 shopping app to load just like so. So having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you source for product from different supplier. To make this particular tutorial short and straight to the point, I've already sourced the product, add the product to cart. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill the cart. So here we go. You can see all the products from the cart right here. So I'm going to select them one after the other. Then I'll scroll down right here. I'm making payment for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this and this and this, this and this, this and this and this and this and this and this and this. So I'm making payments for all these goods right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the preview right here, scroll down and make sure you confirm everything is correct. The more you scroll down, the more the product you add into cart so far is going to load up, just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. So just like so, you can see all the products right here. You can see everything right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed with payment. And for that, go ahead and click on here. So here we go. I'm paying the sum of 49. I'm paying the sum of 459.59 yuan. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter my payment password to complete the payment. So you can see a debit alert from my Alipay from the top right here, meaning that the payment has been done successfully, just like what you see right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment. So I'm going to make a screenshot right here. Then I'll make sure I go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then by the time I refresh my cart right here, the product will no longer be found right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here. By the time I refresh my dashboard right here, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So you can see them all right here, just like so. So all these goods here has been successfully paid for. Next thing we want to do is to exit from my 1688 right here, and then proceed to my Pinduoduo shopping app and make the payment. So I'm going to open my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So after you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, the same way you source and make payment on 1688 is the same way you do it on Pinduoduo. It's just that Pinduoduo has more means of payment than 1688. Okay. After you open up your Pinduoduo, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and proceed to your cart. I'm paying for this particular product right here. I'm going ahead and select it. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then you can see there are a lot of means of payment right here, such as WeChat, pay for me by card, Alipay, pay by friend. So in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with payments. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Payment done successful. So I'm going to make a screenshot of this part or so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done. I'm going to click on here to close this pop-up. By the time I go back to my Pinduoduo profile, the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. Just like so. It's that simple. Finally, I will exit from my Pinduoduo right here and go ahead to my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them. So right here, you can see all the billing and quotation right here, including their order video right here. So I'll click on here now. Then I will go to my gallery, select the two proof of payment and say payment made and send. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688, Pinduoduo, Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.